Hey guys, let's see how to connect an iPhone to a CiBest mini projector. Here I have my iPhone, and it's important to have the correct cable. I have here a USB-C to HDMI, so you just need to get the correct one, otherwise it's not gonna work. I've been trying with different cables. This one works pretty fine. Or if you have an iPhone 11 like I do here, you just need this cable here. It's a HDMI to Lightning, okay? So you just connect here to the HDMI port. There we go. And you connect to your iPhone. Here's a Lightning cable. And then you just need to select the input there, which is HDMI. If you take a look at there, here on the screen, you see that I have this HDMI input, right? So you just need to select this, otherwise it's not gonna work. So you just grab the remote control and you come there and select HDMI, and it's going to load your phone here. See, sometimes it's you just need to refresh. Just wait for a while and it's going to refresh the screen. It looks like a little bit weird back there, but when you start playing here, you're gonna see that's going playing back there. And there we go, it's working. And you see the message here, connected to AirPlay. So I just stop here and it's basically done, okay? Working pretty fine. So super simple, that's the way you can connect your iPhone to a CiBest projector. Here I have the W13, it's a mini projector, pretty small, but you can connect to any other projector from CiBest. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.